Hi YouTubers, this is Emmanuel Germakasa here, and today I got two free engines, of course, one PLARAIL and two trimester. I'll unbox the two trimester later, after this one. Yeah, I replaced my old trimester number 7, yeah, Toby of course, you know. Wait, why is it all sneaking here? Oh, I know why. It's because I have a new engine. Let's start with my new engine, the first one. I got the free engines from my uncle. I'm going to box one of them, and that is a PLARAIL one, because it has Henrietta, it has free wheels, and like my old one, I replaced them, and along with Diesel 10, which I got to play with Diesel 10, play with Toby. But yeah, anyway, of course, I didn't get him. Oh yeah, anyway, I lied. Of course, here it is, the engine I want for a while. It is this. That's right, guys. I got the PLARAIL Toby. Yay. So yeah, guys, I'll be going back to school again, but this is PLARAIL Toby. And PLARAIL Toby is cool. So yeah, guys, wondering why I got PLARAIL Toby? Because, well, you see, I love my Mr. 2 Toby. I do own him, but I want a better Toby that has 3 wheels, not 4. And my Trimster Toby has 4 wheels. And so I gave my old Toby to Gurmish. That was just the Trimster 2 Version Toby. And yeah. So yeah, I gave it to Gurmish along with my Trimster Diesel 10, the Trimster 2 Diesel 10 I have, of course. And I also want to get a PLARAIL Diesel 10, but don't worry, I won't give up getting it. And yeah. But anyway, yeah, let's see PLARAIL Toby. My new PLARAIL Toby as to replace my Trimster 2 Revolution Toby. Not anyone else. Not Gordon, Henry, Edward, Thomas, Persinia, Rebecca, not Emily, not anyone. Just Toby. And Diesel 10, of course. Yeah, that's cool. So yeah, guys. Here's the PLARAIL Toby. Along with Henrietta. And this thing. Oh yeah, in the morning. Cool, never mind. Here's the CGI Toby and the CGI Thomas. And this is the back. And I'm very grateful that Toby takes a C-size battery, just like my Trackmaster Duck does. That I got. Coolio. So yeah, okay. I also got the Trimster Bill and Ben right here. I'll be unboxing these two, okay, after this unboxing of PLARAIL Toby. But yeah, it's cool. And Toby comes with Henrietta and the troublesome truck. But yeah, okay, it's cool. So okay, so let me get my utility knife and let's unbox Toby. And yeah, okay. Okay, let's unbox Toby. And here's the box, and here's my PLARAIL Toby to add to my Thomas & Friends Trimster collection. Yay! Here's Toby. This Toby is cool. The face is cool. Yeah. Actually, he doesn't have a CGI face like my Trimster 2 Revolution Toby. I'm sad that he doesn't have black wheels, but I don't care. I can paint those wheels if I try to do that, I guess. Yeah, that's cool. Never mind. And I'm happy he has freewheel. And he has free wheels, and then unfortunately they're not painted black. And yeah, but never mind. I don't care. I'm just finally happy to own Toby. And yeah. And he looks solid. Now let's look at Henrietta. Whoa, Henrietta. Now I got the real Henrietta. It's cool, Henrietta. It looks so cool to the TV show. Yeah, it's cool. It looks just like in the TV show. Henrietta looks just like in the TV show and the CGI show. Unfortunately, he doesn't have a face and that's creepy. She should be faceless and haunted. I don't like that. But it's okay. I have Adventures Henrietta's face. I can stick that. I got a face for Henrietta. I can add that. But that will wait till the custom video. Don't worry, Henrietta. You'll talk to Toby when you have a face. Yeah, Henrietta. Okay, now let's move on to the troublesome truck. You can never have too many troublesome trucks. This truck has a frowny face, but it's cool. It's cool. The truck is cool. It has a frowny face. And yeah, it's cool. I don't care. Finally happy to own Toby though. The PLARAIL Toby. Cool. I can finally add him to my Steam team. Okay, without further ado, let's move Henrietta in the truck. And let's unbox Toby. Let's put a battery in Toby. Yeah. Gotta see this battery for him. Whoa, Toby moves fast. Let's see how strong he is. Not strongest duck? Let's see how strong he is. The gear's stuck tight. Not bad. Cool. How do you put... Oh, that's better. So yeah, guys, here's PLARAIL Toby. I'll be using him for my series, along with Henrietta, which I'll give her a face. Of course, a CGI face, so he looks like in the CGI show. And yeah, it's cool. And I'll also paint the buffers black, red, buffer being red, cool. And I'll also paint Toby's wheels black and give him more detail. And yeah, his lamp isn't painted yet, but don't worry, I'll paint it. Okay, yeah. Well, without further ado, let's give PLARAIL Toby a run on the track. And yeah. Okay, I got PLARAIL Toby on the track. So, let's give him his first test run. Oh yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Well, it was a rough ride, but I'm still happy. This Pillow Toby runs great on my Chumster 2 track. I'm so happy with that. Not bad. Well, he came up with the rest a little, but I helped him. And yeah. Well, guys, this is all my unboxing video of the PLARAIL Toby, and yeah, it's cool. I'm so happy I finally got Toby, this new PLARAIL Toby, because he has free wheels, and I'm finally to have Henrietta. This is cool. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. And if you want to subscribe for more videos, click the subscribe button. And if you want to get your hands on the PLARAIL Toby, which is a Henrietta and Troublesome Truck, go to Amazon and this is for you. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. And thank you guys so much for watching, and see you on the next unboxing video. See you next time. See you on the next unboxing video. Yeah.